What should you do right now? Because I don't want people to panic. A lot of people are panicking. I read on Reddit, I read everywhere online, and it's like there's panic everywhere, especially among those who are going to be eligible to apply for green cards. So maybe they marry American citizen, or maybe they got approved for an I-140, or maybe they qualify in a different category, and now there's panic setting. Panic is not going to help anybody. You cannot panic. Okay? You cannot panic. What you need to do is you do not panic, and do not leave the US without proper legal advice. Talk to a lawyer. If you have to go outside the country, maybe you want to go bury your father, you want to go attend wedding of somebody in Nigeria or in Guatemala or wherever, you got to talk to a lawyer. Do not rely on TikTok lawyers or WhatsApp immigration rumors. A lot of people have opinion on WhatsApp right now. And I'm in some of those groups and I laugh because what they are talking about is not correct. You want to get a real lawyer who is practicing, not just even a real lawyer, an immigration lawyer. Because there are many lawyers in America too who are very good in other areas like criminal law, family law, and all that, who don't know much about immigration law. When you want to do something to do with immigration now, you don't go to any regular lawyer. Go to an immigration lawyer. He says so on his door that that's what he does in your city. Because one little mistake can ruin your American dream. And I'm not joking about this now. You need to do that. So do not panic. Number one, stay informed. This policy is very new. It's just less than 48 hours ago. And details may change very soon. So you want to stay updated with the reliable legal sources. USCIS.org is a good place to go. The State Department website, I think is a U.S. Department of State website. It's also a good place to go. Because when they come up with these new policies, they actually will publish them there. Read them for yourself and then consult a lawyer on what it means. Don't assume you understood the English. Sometimes the English is not the English. Trust me on this. Number two thing that I would advise is avoid international travel until you speak with an immigration lawyer. I don't care what status you have right now. If you are traveling outside the US and you are planning to come back, it's different if you are going back to your country to go and do farming or to go and help them build your nation, like our president in Nigeria is talking about. If that's your game plan, you are going and you don't ever plan to come back, then you can do whatever you want. But if you want to leave the door open, just in case that your hope is not renewed in Nigeria, you better talk to a lawyer before you go. An immigration attorney is what I'm talking about, not just any attorney. Number three, every case is different, so you have to review your case. Get a professional evaluation of your situation and risk. Because these days, even immigration is reviewing old files. I know people sometimes don't think this is possible in America, but you have Donald Trump. They are reviewing even old files of 10, 15 years ago. People have become citizens to see whether they committed fraud in their application for green card 10 years ago, 11 years ago. They have a task force that does that. They said so. It's not a rumor. So before you travel out, you want to sit down, talk to an immigration lawyer. Talk about your past immigration history, how you got your green card, how you got your temporary card, how you got your permanent card, how you got your citizenship, so that they can advise you what to do before you go. Because once you're out there, you're out there. Number four, I encourage you, act before it is too late. Early legal guidance can prevent costly mistakes and protect your future. So, yeah, some might be saying, well, I don't have immigration problem yet. Why should I be worried? Why should I be worrying myself? Why should I be disturbing myself? Hey, you need to act before is to go get legal guidance. Right now, for most lawyers, all it will cost you is maybe, for someone like me, for instance, if you go to speakwithope.com, which is where you book a call for me to consult with me, it's only $100, right? And it can be by Zoom, or you can come into our office in Dallas or in Nebraska. But the point is, that $100 can save you a lot of pain. So for most immigration lawyers, they don't charge much more than that. Some charge 250, 200. I also charge that. But if it's 200, you have to pay, or 250, you have to pay. Pay the money to the lawyer. Go with all your papers. Let him know everything about you so that he can give you solid advice. That could save you thousands of dollars. It could save you a lot of pain. It could save you deportation because you will then know how these things apply to you. Of course, I encourage you, if you have questions about this or you have questions about your personal situation, you want to contact us at Banwo Law. We've just opened our office in Arlington, Dallas, Texas, and I'm excited about that. I'm going to be talking about that in the coming days. And we can also do your consultation over the phone on Zoom, on video on Zoom. All you do is go to speakwithope.com, book an appointment for a day that is convenient for you, and I'll be happy to give you 1 hour to talk about your situation, your specific situation, and answer your questions. And if it's not convenient for you to book a call with me, find another lawyer. This is not about me trying to just get you to talk to me. Be smart, because once the mistake has been made, it has been made near. There is really nothing you can do about it. Once that process has started, it gets more difficult for any lawyer to help you.